I'm going to share some suggestions with you how you can increase your earning on Upwork. I know every freelancer here on Upwork earn money, but how you can increase your earnings? There are some hidden strategies that I am going to share with you. In order to increase your earning, you need to select your project wisely. On which job you are going to apply, first you must select that job that will benefit you and increase your earning. So let's watch the video carefully and you will learn how you can increase your earnings. Today I will show you on which jobs of Upwork you need to apply. So let's enter some keyword. Let's add WordPress. So here you will find that this is an interesting job where here you see that 4 connects are required and the payment method is not verified. So please don't bid on such type of jobs because client already invite 3 freelancers and his payment method is not verified. So we are not going to waste our connects on such type of jobs. Sometimes clients are genuine and but they didn't verify their payment method, and if we apply we will sometimes get reward and get hiring, but there are very less chances because anyone who is interested in hiring, they will already verify their payment method. So I will suggest you to apply only on that jobs where the payment method verified. Like here, client have a payment method verified, and as you see, the client here wants to hire a freelancer between an hourly range of 12 to 95 USD. But when we see here, the average hourly rate paid by this client is 2.38. Let's check his previous hiring, and he hired fixed price jobs with a less amount. Here you see $1 group participant. So don't apply on such type of jobs if you are looking for bigger projects. This is project length is more than 6 months, but he did hire 8 to 6 freelancers and only $7K plus spent. So ignore such type of clients. Now I will show you one more job in which client spent more money. Here you see 20K. One job is here, and when we are going to open this, so here you see 63 freelancers he hired and 8.45 USD only paid. So this is not a big deal. Let us search one more job. Now here 600, 300, 3K, 200K. So this is a good client, and this is Upwork Plus client. Upwork Plus clients are on a subscription plan that include additional hiring features such as search filter for top talent. So this is a good client. As you see here, he's a Upwork Plus client. Let's see his previous hirings. $45 USD per hour, $70 USD per hour. So this is a very good client. $50 USD, $160. Here you see $160 USD per hour. So this is a very good client. Always try to bid on such type of jobs because these are very good clients. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say on which type of jobs you need to apply. So please, if you like the video, please subscribe and like and do share, because your sharing will change some other freelancer's life. Thank you.